Exploring the benefits of studying accounting. Do you want to explore the benefits of studying accounting? Well, don't worry because we are here to help you out once again. Accounting is often referred to as the language of business and also serves as the backbone of every organization, regardless of its size or industry. Accounting involves the systematic recording analysis and interpretation of financial information, providing crucial insights into a company's financial health and performance. Studying accounting offers a variety of benefits, both personally and professionally, making it a highly valuable field of study for individuals aspiring to pursue a career in business, finance, or even entrepreneurship. In this video, we have discussed numerous benefits of studying accounting. So, what are you waiting for? Let's delve into the numerous benefits of studying accounting, ranging from practical skills development to career opportunities and beyond. Studying accounting equips individuals with essential financial literacy skills that are indispensable in both personal and professional contexts. Understanding the financial statements, budgeting, and basic financial analysis empowers individuals to make informed decisions regarding their finances and investments. This knowledge not only fosters responsible financial management but also enhances one's ability to navigate the complexities of the modern financial world. Another of the key advantages of studying accounting is its transferability across various industries and sectors. So, whether it's in corporate finance, public accounting, government agencies, or non-profit organizations, the principles and skills gained through accounting education are universally applicable. This also provides graduates with a wide range of career options and the flexibility to adopt changing professional landscapes. In today's competitive job market, accounting skills are in high demand, making accounting graduates highly sought after by employers. Businesses of all sizes now require individuals who are proficient in accounting principles to manage their financial operations, ensure regulatory compliance, and also provide strategic financial guidance. As a result, studying accounting offers excellent job security and numerous opportunities for career advancement. Accounting also offers a diverse range of career paths beyond traditional roles such as auditors or tax accountants. Graduates with an accounting background can easily pursue careers in financial analysis, management consulting, forensic accounting, investment banking, and even entrepreneurship. The analytical problem solving and communication skills cultivated through accounting education are highly transferable, enabling professionals to thrive in various roles and industries. Studying accounting also opens multiple doors to ongoing professional development and lifelong learning opportunities, whether through continuing education programs, professional certifications, or advanced degrees. Accounting professionals have access to a wealth of resources to enhance their skills, stay updated on industry trends, and also expand their expertise. Continuous learning is essential in a dynamic field like accounting, where regulations, technologies, and business practices evolve rapidly. Accounting professionals also play a vital role in driving organizational success by providing timely and accurate financial information that informs decision-making processes at all levels. By ensuring financial transparency, accountability, and compliance with regulatory standards, accountants contribute to the sustainability and growth of businesses. Their strategic insights and financial analysis also help companies identify opportunities from improvement, reduce risks, and also achieve their long-term objectives. Studying accounting offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond the confines of numbers, stats, and financial reporting. From fostering financial literacy, skill development, to unlocking diverse career opportunities and lucrative salary potential, the advantages of pursuing an education in accounting are abundant. So, whether you aspire to climb the corporate ladder or launch your own business or make a positive impact in the financial world, studying accounting can serve as a solid foundation for achieving your goals and realizing your full potential in the dynamic field of finance and business. We hope this video helped you understand and learn the many benefits of studying accounting. What are your thoughts and views on the benefits of studying accounting? Share your views and thoughts with us in the comment section below on the benefits of studying accounting.